Hey guys, this is Fundo on Paramo. Coming up next on Imbewu this week, Monday. Poppy is only one that pick up an unfamiliar smell in the house. It is so strong, she vomit. Buhle wants to sell Emsamu to 2 shilling, while Nairobi is thrilled to have a new project while Shira feels like a fake Tuesday. Shira encouraged Tando to cook another delicious meal with the intentions of her stealing more of her recipe, while the family deliberates on how to prevent a war. Sbongile return later in the evening and distract and inform Mazulu and Zagit that Zetulele has handed himself into the police. Kulego confront Makosazana for sending the incriminating video to Mzwandile. Tusheleni has a terrible dreams. Poppy sense there is black magic in the house and two. That Tuesday. Zagiti tell the family about Zetulele's decision to plead guilty and his wish to speak to Mzwandile, while Pagate persuades Mzwandile to hear what he has to say. Friday. Mzwandile wonders has reopened and become inflicted force Kanyo at the behest of Sebenzile to call Pagate for help. That is for this week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.